In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add link in your Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Now we can create a post. To do that I'll tap at plus and select post. Then I can choose any photo from my camera roll, just like that. I'll hit it next, then next again, and on this step there are a lot of different options. However, there is no option to add a link to your Instagram post. However, we can use our caption to paste link here. So all you have to do is just tap right here and then just tap at that field and then tap at paste. That will paste the link from your clipboard to the caption. Also we can add some more text here, and once you've done with that just tap at OK. After that you will be able to share that post with your followers. That's how you can easily add link in Instagram post. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.